Kublai people of season 4. Kijing matip taki Rio Each Football kibade na po nostalgia block mo. Kadi ka free tournament mo kadi ka free menan kambayarung kadi free entry. Kibaro kat kino kibakwa bani si mentah kadi ka tournament. Hakani ka tournament nam taki senrang kadon ka football kadi inter village club banam taki kentei kadon ka futsal kadi ka inter village club hi. Ka first MLA Cup tournament ada absan balapan long daka MLA Cup tournament committee NPP nostalgia block. Invitation knockout antaki senrang football inter village club dan antaki kentei women futsal inter village club. Ki prize kilo kumnemo football winner san pohajar antaki senrang ki bajok bat ki runner up kanong lai pohajar antaki kentei futsal winner kadi pohajar bat ki runner up kadi san hajar free entry. Yakani ke tournament kinsas dang apo jongu banai setembar. Berkejakai lekai kadepo new Nongstoin playground bada kiwi kijaka kibade po jongka Nongstoin constituency. Berke entry form kejeng sedang ban aya ki form kadepo laduka nyotrik jong banai agos seneng. Berkelas dit kadeka lai poetrik jong banai agos. Lam taki di form hila manyo na po kadi kedukan G Simli Sport Shop New Nongstoin Market Complex. Lam taki jeng tip ki bakambun hila ban pun ni lembar harum. Tak kini tip kublai sibun.